Hi. In this video, we will learn about using cut, copy, and paste in Excel.
Copy, paste, and cut are the most frequently used commands in Excel. So if you want to, for example, copy this, first you need to select that cell. And one way is you can right click and go to copy. And then you will see this marching ants around the cell. That means this is the cell that we have selected to copy. Then go to the location we want to paste. And there you can do a right click like this and press paste. You can also use copy from the clipboard group. You can select copy from here, go to the location you want to paste it, and then paste it from here. But the most efficient way is to use the shortcut Control C. So you can select the cell you want to copy, press Control C, go to the location you want to paste it, and then the shortcut is Control V to paste. You can also select multiple cells like this. Control C to copy. And then you don't have to select the whole area where it's going to paste, just the first cell. In the corner, you can select that cell and then press Control V to paste. And you can press Escape to go out of this. Sometimes you need to cut. That means to completely remove something from that place and paste it onto someplace else. So let's say I want to cut this number over here. Again, we can use this cut button over here, or we can do a right click and then use cut from here. But the shortcut key is the best way. Control X is the shortcut. You can press Control X and then go to the location you want to paste it. And to paste, Control V is the shortcut. You can also cut multiple values. So let's select this whole table, Control X, and let's say I go here, Control V. So table has disappeared from here and it has been cut and pasted into this location. So this is the important thing. Don't forget the shortcut keys. This will save you a lot of time, and this is the most efficient way to copy, Control C, paste, Control V, and to cut, Control X.
Thanks for watching.